That's rain and snow. April 15th, 2:57 p.m. Now it's back to rain. I hope the camera's picking that up. As soon as it hits the ground, it melts. It's kind of like what they call Graupel. Oh, yeah. Can you see the little pieces? That's ice. We had snow earlier. Oh, is it cold, that wind. Graupel, snow, and a hard freeze again tonight. It's gonna kill all the work I've got started. Wow, now it's really coming down. That snow's sticking good, or in the soil. And then it melts. And the sun's going to come back out again. We just had two systems come through within an hour apart of each other. And there's one more, and once it comes through, that's when it's going to get really cold tonight. I'll go show you the radar if I can real quick. Okay, so that's what just come through. I'm about right here. That's why the sun's coming out, and you can see another little line developing. You see that thunderstorm there? That's right in I'll show you. I'll go back outside. That one right there is to the north of Shelby County, which is about 8 miles away, 10 miles away. But you can see it out front, the tops of it. Okay, so I'm back out, and that's what was on radar to the north of us. And you see it's clearing up. They're almost like cumulonimbus, but they're not. And back to the west. Phew. Oh. Alright, truth, peace, freedom, love to all. I hope everybody's doing well in this crazy world. Have a great week.